In the previous video, you had learned the various possible values for the four quantum numbers. Now, let us combine the concept of quantum numbers with n plus L rule to find out the energy of the orbitals. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Bisala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. In this video, let us solve a question related to quantum numbers which is connected with n plus L rules. Here is the question. The quantum numbers of 4 electrons are given with a different combination of n and L, and we need to find out the correct order of their increasing energies. And this is one of the very important model from this particular chapter. And before solving this, let me explain the concept behind this. To solve this, we need to know the n plus L rules. And what are these n plus L rules? Here is the rule 1. The orbital with smaller n plus L value possess lower energy. So the orbital with smaller n plus L value possess lower energy. जो ऑर्बिटल का n plus L value कम रहेगा उसका एनर्जी कम रहेगा. Let me give an example for this. Suppose when you compare the case of 3s orbital and 3p orbital, the n plus L value for this orbital is 3 plus 0 because L value for s orbital is 0, for p orbital it is 1, for d orbital it is 2, and for f orbital it is 3. So for 3s orbital n plus L value is 3. Then for 3p orbital this n plus L value becomes 3 plus 1 which is 4, isn't it? So for 3s orbital the n plus L value is small, and that is the reason why the energy of 3s orbital is less than the energy of 3p orbital. Let's understand the second rule. There will be some cases where two orbitals may possess the same n plus L value. Then what we need to do? So when two orbitals possess same n plus L value, then out of those two orbitals, the orbital with smaller n value, that one possess lower energy. So when two orbitals are having the same n plus L value, out of those two orbitals, the one which is having smaller n value, that is having lower energy. Let's understand this by taking an example. Let us compare 3p orbital with 4s orbital. For 3p orbital, n plus L value is 3 plus 1 which is 4. And for 4s orbital, the n plus L value is 4 plus 0 which is again 4. So even though both are having the same n plus L value, they are not having the same energy. Out of this, the 3p orbital is having smaller n value, and that is the reason why it is having lower energy. And now based on this concept, let us solve this question. So let's compare the n plus L value of all these 4 electrons. For the first electron, n plus L value is 4 plus 2, that is 6. For the second one, it is 3 plus 2, which is 5. And for the third electron, which is 4 plus 1, 5. And fourth electron, 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. And while considering the energy of the electron or the energy of the orbitals, no need to consider the m value and the s value. So what we need to find here? We need to find out the correct order of their increasing energy. We need to find out the increasing energy of the orbitals or the increasing energy of the electrons. And we know that the orbital with smaller n plus L value means this one, that will be having the lowest energy, isn't it? So the lowest energy electron here is Roman number 4. That is Roman number 4. Then comes these two, and the highest value is 6, means Roman number 1. The electron with lowest energy is Roman number 4, and the electron with highest energy is Roman number 1. Then we need to find out among Roman number 2 and 3 which is having lower energy. As both are having same n plus L value, now our focus should be on the n value. So out of these two, second one is having smaller n value, and that is the reason why this is having less energy when compared to the third one. So this is our final order. सबसे कम एनर्जी फोर्थ इलेक्ट्रॉन का रहेगा बिकॉज उसका n plus L value is the smallest. As second electron is having smaller n value, it is having less energy. And then comes Roman number 3. The last one is Roman number 1. And that is there in our option C. Isn't it easy? Now, based on this one, you can try one more objective of similar pattern. Here it is. The set of quantum numbers n equal to 4, L equal to 0, M equal to 0 and S equal to plus half correspond to the most loosely bound ground state electron of which one of the following? So what you need to do? This particular set of quantum numbers belong to the valence electron of which of the given 4 elements? So solve this and keep your answer in the comment box. I will check it out. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video with more different patterns of questions based on quantum numbers.